was a stoker bottom, basically with an eliminator top on it.
Sexy boat. That was the first race we did.
The Parker 9-hour. Got rid of a standard deck. I've seen this on the website.
Hey, Ford fans. You can't fool me. I know Ford fans when I see them.
There was a guy, I can't remember where he had it. It was a barn find, and it had the decal on it, flame jobs and everything. It was a blue one. It was beautiful.
If you have lost a lady's bracelet, go see them over at the Coke trailer and describe it. Also, the 50-50 drawing, where you're driving around in the golf cart.
George Nordling.
Oh yes, yes. Good morning again.
You having fun here at the show?
Yes.
Any highlights? Anything that standing out for you?
You know, not yet. It's just waiting for the sun to come out, and by golly, but even if the sun doesn't come out, it's a pretty nice day.
See these Mandellas back here?
I've got to go look at all those
Pretty
Mandellas
nice,
so I
yeah.
can compare them to my friend's Mandella in Portland. Yes.
Send them some pictures. Yeah.
Yeah, I got to get him some pictures of those. He's got one that's as nice as one of these. Yeah, it is. You bet. So, is it going to be sunny today?
It's teasing us. George, give us a couple of championships that are close to your heart that you earned over the decades.
Oh, I guess probably the national championship in Miami, because I had won a K-boat national championship in Miami in '88. Had never been in the boat before.
Driving for Richard Thompson.
Yeah, I had a chance to test it prior to the race, and it was not the fastest race I ever had, but it was a win for him, and he had never won a race before, so it was kind of fun for both of us, and that gave me the opportunity to drive for him in the future. And then we went on to win the World Championship in Montreal the next year. So those couple of years that I ran around with Richard Thompson was just a great experience for me, and my wife and my friend Ron Eby, who tightened all the nuts and bolts.
Yeah, and then in the early days.
Yeah, you go back a long way, I guess, but I think of Superstock National Championships, and I don't know, they all stand out, and I don't think about them much anymore, but I just enjoyed racing. When I had the opportunity to drive for other people, you get opportunities to drive for other people, and you do it because you love it, not because you need to be paid for it. You just enjoy it, and I think it was a total of 5 or 6 national championships and a couple of world records. I kind of remember that one. That stands out because we set a world record at Green Lake in a pro comp boat, and it may not even been Green Lake. It might have been Lawrence Lake, but stood for I think 19 years before somebody broke it.
Really amazing.
Yeah, so and that was a different partner that I had way back then, but have a lot of opportunities thanks to a lot of other people. I mean, I just was given the opportunity to drive it, but if it wasn't for the other people, I wouldn't have had those championships. So I'm truly a blessed guy.
Yeah, you're one of the big names of the sport if you go back, and you have that wonderful radio voice.
I've heard that before, and I don't think I could be on radio, but I guess it's okay to have a voice like that.
You might have missed it. Some type of work calling from that. I don't know.
Well, I'm a salesman. That's what I do. Yeah.
Here comes that sun you were talking about.
Yeah, that's great. You bet.
Thanks for giving us a minute, George.
You bet.
We love having you here.
Yeah, good to see you, Jerry.
You too.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.